I had my surgery 8 years ago, and it was probably one of the best things I've done in my life. Actually, I wish I would have done it sooner. That year after I had the surgery done, I spent more time in the pool with my kids than I had probably for the decade before then, just because it gave me so much more freedom.
I ended up having the procedure done, and it honestly changed my life. I can wake up, I can see my alarm clock, I can do so many more things because of having the surgery, and now playing sports isn't a problem at all.
My experience has been tremendous. It's 11 years now. I still see beautifully, and the convenience of it. In fact, in a way, I've forgotten about wearing glasses. I sort of have forgotten about what that was like, about pushing them up my nose, you know, every few minutes.
When I would drive with my contacts or my glasses, I'd get like really bad halos everywhere. I was always constantly squinting, even with my contacts in, and I'd never squint once. I could see perfectly at night, and it's just, my vision is just so much more clear.
It really impressed me that the doctor took his time to make sure everything was okay, and overall the staff was just really friendly and helpful the whole time. Any questions I had, they were more than happy to answer, and when I went for my appointment the next day, I could see just about 20/20.
Colors are much brighter and better. Everything's much clearer. I don't wear glasses. I have 20/20 vision now. It's just been incredible. I'm sorry I didn't do it sooner.
From the first consultation, the moment I stepped in, everybody was super friendly. It was quick and easy. I had the surgery within, I think it was 3 weeks of first stepping foot in there, and I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
It's so comfortable here. You walk in, and just for your evaluation, everyone's so friendly.
Everyone is welcoming. It's so nice to come here and know that you're going to be taken care of by a great team of professionals.
If someone was considering getting LASIK surgery, I would tell them, don't wait.
Our tagline here is focused on you. And I want people to realize that's exactly what we do. And the reason that's so important is because every person that comes through the door is different. And we have to tailor whatever treatment we're going to do for that individual.
Things we're doing today was science fiction when I was in medical school. So I've always looked for where's the next horizon.
It's always been important to our practice to be at the forefront of the latest technologies to provide both the safest and most predictable results for our patients' eye care. In fact, recently, we were privileged to be the first company in the United States to have the Victus laser cataract surgery that provides LASIK and laser cataract surgery in one machine. I'm proud of our hometown, and there's no procedure you can have in London or LA that we can't do right here in Western New York.